We are still in Poland, in a river.
Yeah, we booked until Wednesday because we wanted to do some work afterwards, but everyone left us. But now we are alone at a nice spot with a nice wind and we will have fun.
It looks absolutely perfect. We are at this peninsula where the event happened. You will probably see a little bit of drone footage now.
So the plan is just to go windsurfing. You go on the foil, I go on the fin.
Maybe. Or we both go on the fin. You tried to go 50 kilometers an hour?
And you?
I tried to go 60. No, I don't
It
know.
was a bit exhausting.
The event was so nice.
But it's like at every event, it's that you just talk the whole day with different kinds of people.
Guys, it's windy. It's super windy. We check out the spot first? Yeah?
Yes.
All right, let's check out the spot.
Let's look what they... There's Patrick.
Yeah, there is somebody on Patrick's slalom gear. Ah! Okay guys, so this is the spot. And yeah, it's actually even more nice when it's properly windy. And we will probably sail over there, do some jibes around the boats that are there in the water. And maybe we can film a little bit from the peninsula over there, put the telelens. And now we go to the van and yeah, you will see the first challenge in just a moment.
The beach looks super promising, and also behind the little island thing, peninsula.
Yeah.
I think there might be super flat water.
Yeah, let's find
like
out.
Super flat water.
That would be nice.
Yeah. Offshore
Alright.
wind to Russia. I don't know.
No. Our parking is not legal. I also am not sure how illegal it is. We have a problem. Oh my god. All the event stuff is in the car, of course. Let's start a little event. This is ridiculous. This is insane. Okay, this is the board that we are going to use. 107 liters dark horse. Now if we find the sail now, we are good to go. 36 carpenter and, oh guys, I have to tell you, we met the guy who produces these fins here.
Is it even allowed?
Yeah, we're not sure if we're allowed to say it because it's the guy, nobody knows him. He's like the secret conspiracy fin guy, but we met him. Everything is rigged and ready. Taking my 7.0 sail, and I will now go for the first full power windsurf session here in Poland. Christopher's gonna fly the drone, and then Christopher will have a go, and I would say, let's go. I just came off the water from the first session.
And look who's here.
Yeah. Now it's your turn.
Yes.
Yeah, it was amazing. The water is super soft. No seaweed this time because of the wind direction. Wind is perfect. It's warm.
It's the first time since a long time that I'm going with short arms.
And that you're going windsurfing.
Yeah.
Since how long?
January.
Last time in January?
Yeah.
So 5 months.
But in January, I was the only one going on the water because you and Jopi were like in the car. Oh, it's too cold.
It was
blah,
a little
blah,
bit.
blah.
It was cold. Anyway, let's see if Christopher survives. Because with all honesty, I didn't want to tell him, but it's windy. And he's 20 kilograms less than I am. So it will be interesting. But I'll get behind the camera now. How was it?
I said this after every session.
Yeah.
Good to be on the water once. And I think for the conditions that we had,
It was rough.
it was pretty rough, but I liked it.
Okay.
Yeah,
When
it was good.
When you came off the water, your mood was a little bit different.
Yeah, but it's the usual problems, like foot straps so big that I slip through until my knees. Harness lines longer than my arms.
Okay.
A boom that was way too heavy because the other boom had even longer harness lines.
Yeah.
Yeah. But apart from that, it was super good.
Okay. Yeah, you almost did 50.
Yeah.
48.
Yeah.
Okay, you could have done 50, but the wind
I didn't have the...
Yeah, the wind was a bit too strong, so you couldn't really push, I think.
Nah, it was like when I tried to do what you said, go downwind.
Yeah.
But when I went downwind, it was just not in control in a way that I would have liked it. No, it was pure shit. I couldn't control what I was doing, and so I was afraid of hitting the sandbank or couldn't stop and then crashing and breaking everything.
Okay, so it's a balls thing. We can fix that.
I think my way to over 50 and reliable.
Yeah, flat water.
No. Equipment that I adjust to myself.
Yeah, that could be something as
because,
well.
like for real, the foot straps were way too big, and in every wave I was slipping out.
Yeah, no, this is not good.
Yeah,
yeah, you need your own set.
Yeah,
I mean, you own a surf shop.
I could
we
send us a request.
We own the same surf shop. You can just take the stuff from the warehouse.
Yeah, I think I will do it.
Okay, it's a good thought.
The question is
what?
What?
Yeah, maybe we make a dedicated video about that.
Yeah.
Where we put a setup together for you, and then we try to hit the 50.
The goal shouldn't be to hit the 50.
60?
Yeah.
60 is rough.
Yeah, but I looked it up.
Oh, warte mal. Oh, God, that makes it.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, guys, sorry, my arm almost fell off.
55 is what we did in Sonnemere. What I did in Sonnemere, there was the goal to hit 60, not 50.
You didn't do 55.
I did 55.
No.
Yes.
No.
I saw it in the water speed app.
Really? No. No, I cannot believe.
Wait.
What
Long run.
What did you do today?
47.
Okay. But in tremendous job.
Yeah.
All right.
But the second session is missing. But
Okay,
doesn't matter.
so 16 is on a mirror.
My goal would be to hit 60 in any way.
Yeah.
Like, doesn't matter where.
No, this is impossible.
Just so I could say, no, I mean, it doesn't matter to me where it happens or under which conditions.
okay.
I just want to do it.
Okay.
And so it wouldn't matter to me how we achieve it.
Guys, I can tell you from my experience, 60 is tough. Like 55 is this 30 knot magic barrier where it gets really fast.
Also, I want to say,
Yeah.
the session today was not about going as fast as possible, but to have fun. Yeah, but like the last
Yeah, but
days
once
there
you
was...
take the GPS, it's about speed, no?
Yeah. But
I went to the other side, by the way, and I did 63 there. And it was so weird. I hit a big fish. I think I cut it almost in half. Then the water was knee deep. And then all of a sudden, when you go to the other side, it's offshore wind and the water temperature drops by 10, 15 degrees.
yeah.
Woo!
Yeah.
And full of kiters.
Yeah.
Man, and for real, I'm an open mind, open-hearted person. And every time I think about kiters and I haven't seen them in a while, I'm like, yeah, they're just having fun, water sports people, everything is cool. And then as soon as I engage them on the water, something weird happens and I'm like, mwah.
But I think, like from my perspective,
Yeah.
I wasn't on the water while the event was going on here.
Yeah.
And today, I think, was the day that should have been yesterday or over
Yeah.
the weekend,
Yeah,
because
yeah.
it was...
Yeah, it was lovely.
You should tell how it was today.
It was
compared
perfect.
to the days before.
It was a perfect session.
Yeah.
The days before, not so perfect. But yeah, guys, please leave us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to this YouTube channel to not miss any of the future videos. If you need anything windsurf related or even wingfoil related, check out our online surf shop, The Wind Lounge. It's linked down in the video description. Both of us and our third guy, Anton, we are really happy to help you. And
we ship worldwide.
We ship
and
worldwide.
Blah, blah, blah.
blah, blah,
Yeah.
blah. See you next time.